Hey friends, if you wish to view comments in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now, this video is not about creating comments. We have explained this over a separate video. It is about showing the comments which are already created. So, as you can see in this document, we know that comments have been created because we have this symbol here. But the question is that what are those comments? I mean, how do we see them? So, the official method is to go to the review tab and then click on show comments. Okay, and then click on it again to hide it, and then click on I mean, the easier method is to simply click on this comment symbol and it will show all comments, but again, to hide it, you'll have to go to the same page. So basically, this is the method. You can either go to the direct one or through the review tab. Both of them will work. And you can also delete these comments by clicking on this third option here. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.